Parang pizza, pero hindi pizza. Ito siya. It's an open-faced sandwich. Tuna melt. Let's start cooking. Ito. Tuna. Very simple tuna. Ito siya. 3 cans of tuna where we drain the juices. So, kailangan natin approximately 1 cup of tuna meat. And we will add, very simple, minced onions, pickle relish, konting asim, no? Mayonnaise. So, ito, pwede mo din lagyan ng carrots, no? Blanched na diced carrots. Pwede mo lagyan ng pineapple kung gusto mo. Pero ito is very simple lang. Mix everything together. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper. Yan. Black or white pepper, kayo na bahala. It's up to you. So, mix everything together. Ito na siya, ang ating tuna spread. And we have here ang ating tasty, no? Slices of bread, pwede ding pandesal. And what we will do here is we will just brush lightly with melted butter. Mga recipes na ganito na sobrang simple pero sobrang sarap, magugustuhan ng kids nyo, are things you should teach them to do. Bakit? Mahuhook na sila sa kusina, di ba? So, very important dito, pwedeng one side na yung butter mo sa ilalim. On top din na kailangan, no? And we will add our tuna. Spread, spread, spread. Evenly, ganyan siya. Yung oven ko is preheated to 200 degrees kasi gusto natin medyo toasted. Yan. Pwede din to sa oven toaster. So, you don't have to have a real oven. Oven toaster, pwede na. And to finish it, lalagyan natin ng konting cheese sa taas. Gitna lang siya. Pwede mo lagyan ng red bell pepper. So, you can be as creative as possible. You can even add mushrooms. Ito, konting pa-parsley tayo. And immediately, when it's done, just pop it in the oven. And ito na siya. And we just wait for it to toast. Hello mga ka-Simple! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. Yan. So after 15 minutes, ready na siya at naamoy ko na siya. Oh my God! Look at that. Wow, ang ganda na. It's so pretty. Yan talaga yung gusto ko na medyo tostado on top. We're ready to plate. Masarap to with a fried egg, di ba? Look at that. And are you ready? Ako, I am ready. Ito, gusto ko na siyang kainin. Kahit sobrang init pa, kaya kaya ba? Di ba? Melted cheese on top. Tostado. Oh, you hear the crunch? Yan. Sarap. If there are any kids watching this today, gawin nyo na. Tell your moms or your dads na magluluto ka kasi kayang-kaya mo yan. Ating recipe for today, our open-faced sandwich, tuna melt, simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!